Hi there Vikings, and welcome to this live stream, which I already started about 20 minutes ago, and forget to play record, so I've been talking with nobody here. We just took a trade short with the premise of inversion fair value gap entry. So you can see I have it recorded, so I will put it on my platforms, but very unfortunately that you couldn't join me. We pushed really up high here. My analysis was that we would go down to this 4-hour fair value gap first, but now we pushed up and took out the ES all-time high, and we took out the London highs on NQ, and then we started to reverse, and I saw this imbalance here with the displacement lower, so I went short in the inversion fair value gap up here. So that was a 1 to 2R trade, and you can see it. I didn't take it on our account where we build a 100,000 account as high as we can. I took it on my existing account where I'm up 168,000 already. So this trade was a $7,875 trade. Very nice. And right now we have gone down to this. Let's see what that is. It's 15 minutes fair value gap. Yes. Push down there, so I can imagine that we will push up from here now. We will see. We try some ping pong trading here during this this news play on 2:30. We had the non-farm employment change, average hourly earnings, and unemployment rates. So at 16 we have ESM service PMI, so I would wait to trade until that time because I trade 9:50 to 11. And if we have news, high impact news, I wait after the news because I like to see. It's often 10 a.m. reversal play. So for me it would be nice if we break down here, take out these lows, and go down to the 4-hour fair value gap and make a run up again at 10. That would be nice. It's a quite a bit down though. 7. Yeah. So we'll see. We might just push down here during the pre-session and the AM session. We'll see. I am still bullish, even though we took out the ES all-time high and the London high. So we have met our target on the indices, so we should stay neutral, and we're bank holiday tomorrow. So yeah, TGIF is a reversal play. I have to be prepared to go short today, depending on the market. I have to see what they give me. But if I'm flickering with the bias, I don't know really how I should approach it. I will just stay flat today. It has to be real obvious. But as I said, it's always nice to go to a 15-minute chart and do some ping pong trading like we did here. We took it on this inversion fair value gap here. Boom. And we got a nice 2R win. So we play with liquidity right now. We can go up and down, up and down. Very, very fun, and it's a good way to practice. It's just like going to the gym and make some reps, you know, you get bigger, stronger, and you get better at trading if you do this, because trading and charts and time frames are fractals. So the 15-second chart is the same, has the same premises as daily chart. So you get a lot of more practice if you work on the lower time frames. So I used to do this, and I will try to do it more in front of you. Practice ping pong trading like this. I go with a 1 to 2 RR and just go with the flow up and down. Often we end up on plus by that. And you get a feel for the market, a feel how we use liquidities. And we can also take some help by using the first percentage fair value gap which arrives after the 30 candle, like 8:30, 31 is the first eventual fair value gap we can get, and I mark them out on the 1 minute, and then I can use them on the lower time frame. So if we, like here, have 1 minute, here's the, is it? No, that's not the first percent of fair value gap. Would be this one actually. Okay, so here is the first percent fair value gap of 934, and when we get a reaction from there, like here, going down, we go down to 15-second short, and this is a model though. You can see it going down and then up again, and this is the short from this level. So this is an ICT model where you use the first percent fair value gap, have a bias like bearish in this case, break down from it, trade up to it, and push it from the 1 minute, and then you quickly go into a 15-second chart and go short at the first fair value gap you see. And you have 1 to 2 RR if the setup is permitting it, like the fair value gap here was the target, and the 1 to 2 was perfect with that. If it wasn't, the fair value gap might be here, the target, it's been too close, then I will not take a trade. So yeah, but you see, it was very nice. It was not a turtle soup, but it was a very early entry and a perfect entry. We just left a little bit on the table, but that's totally fine. So a reaction from this fair value gap, we could have gotten long here in case I didn't talk so much, but this was a potential trade too. Yeah, we'll see. So this, what I'm going to talk about more is my I will make a pre-session analysis right now, and the pre-session analysis is that we are bullish until something is said or seen. We took out all our targets. We are at the end of the week, so it's not impossible to have a TGIF, which is a reversal play of the weekly candle. 20 to 30% of the weekly candle retracement level, and you can go with that short down to those levels. That's an options today. I have to see what the market give me. We have taken out the high, so even though I'm bullish because I don't take a top out on the high time frame, I will be able to take short if it's giving me the setup, because I think it's a lot of liquidity down here, you can see. Okay, I have a 4-hour fair value gap down here, and yeah, we can make out the 20 and 30 level on the TGIF possibility here. I have to make TGIF. Okay. So the weekly candle may go down to this or this level, and this is below the equal lows here and in the direction of the 4-hour fair value gap. So yeah, a TGIF setup is most likely for me, but I have to wait until 10. To wait until 10. A reaction here from the London highs. We'll do some ping pong trading here. This might be a loss, and it's okay. Ping pong trading is just giving me some feel for the market and some, yeah, you know, reps in. Pushing down now, breaking the short-term low here. That's good. This is a liquidity target. Disclaimer, don't follow my rules. My trades follow my rules, but don't follow my trades. This is demo only. And here we'll be taking out probably with a $2,000 loss. We'll see. So if we push higher here, that might be a long. One hour down, two up. How does the 5-minute looks? Okay, pushing higher. Can use that one. If we can hit that level, it's a immediate rebalance on the 5 minutes, I think. A little dip down now would be nice. It might consolidate now in this range until we start moving through the 4 p.m. A little TGIF later on. What do you think about that? Okay, so 1 hour up. I think I will take some time off now, and then I come back with the 10 a.m. trading, live trading. And I'm looking for lower prices is my final thought. So yeah, get some rest and get ready for the silver bullet time. And I'll see you in a couple of in about 45